What do you think of this tree?
Don't fall over the thing. What do you think, Hey? You're the cutter downer.
So much snow.
Stupefy! Wingardium Leviosa!
What do you think?
What do you think?
And
You think that's good enough? Look at that tree. What do you think?
Put it into something.
Careful.
I think that'll be
I
good.
gotta get the snow off this one.
Holy good. Hey, watch out, Devin. You better go take a hold of it because it's going to fall this
Take
way.
this.
Get in there, Devin.
Go hold it,
Quick,
Devin,
Dev.
so it won't fall.
Go take
Oh,
this.
Dev, there's no time.
Here, take this.
I'm trying to get
Hold it so it won't fall down, Devin.
Timber!
Come back, Ma. I want my other mittens. My hand's so cool.
Hey, Clem, you know you could ask without whining.
I'd rather not, because it's not even Thanksgiving.
Jingle bells,
This is when you can start thinking again.
jingle bells,
This one's nice!
jingle all the way.
I thought it looked just like you.
Ow!
Hey, way to regurgitate jokes that have already been said, dude.
Hard as fall. Even the fog